My dear technician, a lot of people ask me in the comment section, Father Joe, what can we use this liquid to do? In this video, I will take my time to expatiate everything. But before then, let me open and show you how it is. My dear technician, this is called liquid optical clay adhesive. Okay, so this is used between screen and touchpad, and I'll be showing you how to use it, everything right in this video. So don't go anywhere. Without time wasted, let me open this and show you the inside, how it look like. My dear technician, check this out. Check this out. I just open now. Check the inside. So you will press this when you want to use it. You press this so that the liquid will be going out in the other side. Let me cover it now since I'm not using it now. My dear technician, I want to show you something now. Please pay attention, watch this video. If you check the screen very well, you see that the touchpad is not gummed with the screen. But if you check this one, you will see that the touchpad is gummed with the screen. The phone screen is more sharper, more better than the other one that is not gummed with the screen. And not just that, if I put picture in this one that is gone with the screen and also put picture in the other one that is not gone with the screen, you'll see that the one that is gone with the screen will be more sharper than the one that is not gone with the screen. My dear technician, let me give you more explanation of what I said. This phone right here, the screen is not gone with the touchpad. This one right here, the screen is gone with the touchpad and is known as complete screen. Okay, this type of screen is known as complete screen because the screen and the touch comes together. My dear technician, if you have question, let me know in the comment section. Please, if you have question, let me know. My dear technician, the screen of this particular phone is not gone with the touchpad. Okay, if you have question, let me know. This is what I'm trying to say. Check this screen. This one is a complete screen. Both screen and touchpad is gummed together. You may ask, Father Joe, why is the screen gummed together with a touch? My dear technician, there are so many advantages. For the sake of this video, I don't want this video to be too long, so I will mention some of them, okay? This will prevent dust not to get in between the screen and the touchpad. Check this out. Check this out. If you check this screen now, you'll see that it's dusty, it's not sharp. My dear technician, if you remember the screen I showed you before, in fact, let me show you now. Let me show you now. Okay, check this out. Check this out. You can see the first one is dark than this one. This one look dusty and the screen is not sharp. My dear technician, without time wasted, let me start the video. I don't want to waste time, okay? My dear technician, after you're done with everything, cleaning the old gum on the carcass of the phone, the casing of the phone. The next thing is cleaning the screen, so take your time to do that. Do not rush. Take your time to do that. If you have question, please let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Take your time to clean it very well. Take your time to clean it very, very well. If you have question, like I said, let me know in the comment section. If you have any question, let me know. My dear technician, my ebook is available. If you're interested, let me know. If you're in Nigeria, it's just 5,000 naira. So get our ebook and start enjoying. Okay? Get our ebook and start enjoying. If you have question, let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Okay? Take your time to clean it very well. Do not rush. Take your time to clean it. Take time to clean it. Take time to clean it. Check this out. I'm taking my time to clean it very well. So take your time to clean your own. My dear technician, take your time to do it. Take your time to do it. Do not rush. Take your time to do it. Check this out. The next thing now is for me to put the screen. Put the screen on the carcass. Check this out. Make sure you clean the old gum first. Clean the old gum first. It is important. Take your time to clean the old gum. Do not rush. Take your time to do it. If you have question, please let me know. If you have any question, please let me know. Check this out. Take your time to do it. Do not rush. So let me put the screen. Check this out. Check this out. My dear technician, the good side about this process is that I'm not going to use machine, but using machine is far more better than using this method, okay? But this method works fine, great, okay, without any issue. So let me start. Check this out. Make sure you remove this. Okay, check this out. Remove this. The next thing now is for you to press this. Don't forget to remove this other cover. Then you start pouring on the screen. During this process, do not allow anybody to distract you, okay? Make sure you focus. Take your time to do this. Check this out. Take your time to do this. Do not allow anybody to disturb you. It is very simple. My dear technician, have in mind that if you do not clean the screen very well and there is a small dot, I mean sand or dust or something that could just show on the screen after putting the touchpad, it's not going to be nice. I strongly recommend take your time to clean the screen very well before applying this, okay? Take your time to do it. Do not rush. Take your time to do it. If you have question, feel free. Let me know now in the comment section, okay? Let me know now in the comment section if you have any question. My dear technician, this process require calculation, okay? You have to understand mathematics because this process require calculation. My dear technician, you have to calculate and know the amount of the liquid that you apply here, okay? It's not going to be much, so make sure you follow these steps. Just small is okay. Make sure you follow the steps, follow the process. Check the way I'm doing my own, okay? You may ask, Father Joe, can this pest spoil the touchpad? The answer is no. Can this pest spoil the screen? The answer is no, okay? My dear technician, one thing I want to say now is that you should be careful, okay? You should do a correct mathematics because you have to know the amount of liquid you apply on the screen so that the liquid will not be too much, okay? I don't want the liquid to be too much. Check this out. I take my time to apply here. You guys see everything. Check this out. I take my time to do this. I do not forward this video because I want you guys to learn. I love you all. I want you guys to learn, okay? Check this out. My dear technician, after I'm done with this, everybody, all of you will love this because this screen will be very, very dark. And dark screen, for me, I love dark screen. And dark screen is what is trending now. Every screen now are dark, dark, dark. And when screen is dark, everything on the screen will be sharp and clear and you will love it, okay? Without any dust or sand getting in between your screen and the touchpad, okay? I know for sure you will love it. Let me know what you think in the comment section right now. My dear technician, the next thing now is the touchpad. So this is the touchpad. Make sure you remove this. Take your time to do this. Remove this nylon. Check this out. Okay, the next thing now is for us to put a paper under this so that we can get our settings, okay? Let me carry this screen up. Let me show you. Check this out. You should be very, very careful. Check this out. Then look for paper. Let me look for paper and put it under. Should be very, very careful. Do not put the touchpad first, okay? Please do not put the touchpad first. Look for paper. What I'm trying to do is that I want the screen to be up a little bit, okay? I want the paper to kick up the screen a little bit so that when I'm placing the touchpad, it's going to connect with the liquid and everything goes smoothly, okay? So let me do that. I'm looking for paper now. My dear technician, so let me put it now. Let me put it now. If you have question, please let me know in the comment section. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section, okay? Check this out. Check this out. Very simple. Check this out. The next thing is putting the touchpad. Please watch. Please watch. 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 Please watch. Check this out. Take your time to do it. Check this out. You can see that the liquid is connecting the touchpad and the screen. Check this out. Make sure you press it very well. Take your time to press it. Be very careful. As a technician, the paper is too big, so let me remove the paper and put small paper. The paper is too big. Let me look for small paper and put it. Let me look for small paper and put it. As a technician, I hope you're learning. Let me know in the comment section right now if you're learning. Let me know in the comment section right now if you're learning. Check this out. You can see I'm pressing with my hands. I'm pressing right now. You can see. Check this out. Take your time to do this. Take your time to do this. As a technician, take your time to do this. You will be done. You will be done. Like I said, you may ask, Father Joe, can this liquid spoil touchpad? My dear technician, have been using this liquid for a very long time now without anything wrong with the screen, without the screen getting spoiled or the touchpad getting spoiled during the process. Okay, so you have to be very, very careful when you're doing your own. So if the touchpad gets any issue, it is not from the liquid. I'm very sure about it. Maybe you do it wrongly, so make sure you follow the steps as you see me doing right now. Follow the steps. If you have questions, let me know. Okay, my dear technician, so let me separate this paper because I want small paper now. Let me separate this paper. My dear technician, for you to achieve the best, and the best, okay? You can see I've changed the paper. I'm using this paper. Check this out. You need to put the screen right here in the carcass of the phone. Check this out. Make sure you put it so that you can achieve the exactly shape. Okay? If you don't understand, let me know in the comment section. Please let me know in the comment section. Check what I'm doing right now. Check what I'm doing right now. Check what I'm doing right now. So with these methods, I'm going to achieve the exactly shape. If you have question, please feel free to let me know. If you have question, check this out. Make sure you press it. Press it very well. Press it very well. I want you to remove excess bubble. Any bubbles, make sure you remove it, okay? Take your time to do this. My dear technician, I'm going to forward this right now because this particular process that I'm doing now is going to take time. My dear technician, check this out. Take your time to do this. Take your time to do this. Do not rush. Take your time to do this. If you have question, let me know in the comment section. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section, okay? Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Feel free, let me know in the comment section. Check this out. Check this out. Check the way I'm doing my own. I'll be done. 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 My dear technician, check the screen now. You can see that the screen is now dark, sharp, not the way that it was before. My dear technician, so this is the part 1 of the video. The part 2 of the video is dropping very soon. Okay, you can check the part 2 and watch. You can check the part 2 and watch. The part 2 is dropping very soon. Please check the part 2 and watch. Thank you for watching and let me see you in part 2.